That's right, folks. We're at another oceanfront restaurant in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Sharkey's Beach Club. If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to keep up with what's happening around the Myrtle Beach area. Even though this is the last month of the year, Sharkey's Oceanfront is a great place to hit when you're at the beach. Unfortunately, the upstairs is closed on cold days, but during the summer, you can't beat the views and the breeze from this location. However, if you do come during the off season, guess what? The ocean and boardwalk are still here. This is a friendly, laid-back place where people can come and enjoy great cocktails and fresh seafood, all while being treated to breathtaking views of the Grand Strand. Sharkey's Beach Club is not only known for its great location, but also for the fresh seafood specialties like their famous fish tacos and their great selection of mixed and frozen drinks.
The gummy bear cocktail.
They have a full bar and happy hour specials like $3 well drinks. Their menu has everything you could want in an oceanfront restaurant. From coconut shrimp and fried calamari to sandwiches and fettuccine alfredo. And a great kids selection as well. Having a full bar, they have more than enough drinks to satisfy any sailor. From basics to frozen, as well as beer and wine. We ordered what else? The fried oysters and their famous firecracker shrimp and a grilled chicken salad, all delicious. This restaurant and bar is a local favorite, and tourists alike flock to Sharkey's for its great food, cocktails, and fun atmosphere. The perfect place for a bite to eat or enjoy a drink while taking in the wonderful views of the Atlantic Ocean and the world-famous Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. But if it's a nice day and you sit on the front side, you get to sit beside the world-famous Ocean Boulevard while thousands of tourists cruise the streets in envy, watching you enjoy your favorite beverage. Summertime at Sharkey's brings nightly entertainment and fun for all ages. If you want to keep up with anything around Myrtle or the surrounding beaches, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, even in the off season, so you can keep beaching.